performing the single leg exercise ball squat. So we're going to use a 65 centimeter exercise ball. The patient's going to have it up against the wall and just above their hip into their lower back area. So Sarah, just pop that on your hip and on your, just above your hip there. And the patient is going to be just far enough away that there's some pressure on the ball, but she's not slumped over the ball and she's not too far away that the ball will fall away. Her hand is going to be on the opposite shoulder. If it goes here, when you perform the exercise, the shoulder will get pinched. So arm on the opposite side. Patient's going to bend just the knees just to unlock them. We're going to instruct the patient to just bring this leg up just to the front. She's going to have her brace. Good. And then we're just going to instruct her to just squat straight down just a few inches and back up without any leaning over the ball or being pushed away by the ball. So we just watch Sarah do that. So she's staying in a perfect midline. She's perfectly braced. She's going to check in with it every now and then. And then the other key point is we're keeping an eye on this knee, that we're not going to be doing any Elvis Presley. We don't want any wobble happening at that knee. And this is a very effective exercise for her working her core, her balance in her hip, and lower leg strength and balance. This is the single leg ball squat.